If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Drones are rapidly transforming the world of technology, providing new ways to explore, gather information, and complete missions. In this video, we will talk about the benefits and harms of drones. From long-range drones that can fly for hours to compact and maneuverable drones perfect for aerial photography, these are the best drones on the market today. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an amateur, these drones are sure to impress you. Drones are getting more advanced, more capable and more accessible every day. From AI-powered autopilot systems to advanced sensors and cameras, drones are revolutionizing the way we gather information in complete missions. With the rise of 5G networks and cloud computing, we are only scratching the surface of what is possible with drones. From agriculture to search and rescue, package delivery to aerial photography, drones are used in a wide variety of industries and applications. In agriculture, drones provide farmers with new tools to monitor crops and increase yields. In search and rescue, drones save lives by quickly finding missing persons. And in package delivery, drones make it possible to get packages to customers faster and more efficiently. Innovation is pushing the drone industry forward, and companies like drone manufacturer name, are taking on that responsibility. With the latest technology and advanced features, these drones are changing the game and making it possible to achieve more than ever before. These are the best drones in the world, and the future of technology is just getting started. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the drone world. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.